Have you ever tried to log into Facebook and something like this showed up? Unable to log in? Try again later? Or maybe the app just keeps refreshing and you can't get in. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're not alone! Recently, a lot of users have been having issues logging into Facebook and getting this error message, but don't throw your phone yet. In most cases, there are some quick and easy steps you can take to fix this problem. So today I'll show you how to do it. Step 1. Check Facebook status before you start pulling your hair out. It is a good idea to first check Facebook status on websites like Down Detector or on Twitter or X. A lot of times it's not your fault, and Facebook is just experiencing an outage. If it is the case, all you can do is sit tight and wait for Meta, the company that owns Facebook, to fix it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Now, if Facebook is not down, the next step is to check your internet connection. An unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is often the reason why you're getting this error message. So, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to another network. Or if you're using mobile data, try turning it off and on. You can also try restarting your router or modem. In most cases, this should get your internet connection back on track and fix your Facebook login problem. Step 3. Clear cache and data if the problem still isn't resolved. The next step is to clear the app cache and data. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, select Facebook, then tap on Clear Cache or Clear Data. For iPhone users, you can reinstall the app. Now, most of the time, clearing the app cache should do the trick. But if you still can't log in, try clearing the app data. This won't delete your saved posts, photos, or messages. But it will delete your login info, so you need to re-enter your email address and password every time you want to use Facebook. Step 4. Update or reinstall the app. Now, if clearing the cache and data didn't work, the next step is to update the app. An outdated version of Facebook may cause login problems. So make sure you're using the latest version. You can open your App Store or Google Play to update the app. If updating doesn't work, you can also uninstall and reinstall the app to get a fresh new copy. Step 5. Reset password. Now, if you still can't log in, try resetting your password. You can do this by tapping Forgot Password on the login screen, selecting No longer have access to these at the top, entering your email address or phone number, then tap on Send Login Link or Send Reset Password Email. Then follow the instructions. And there you have it. That's how to fix Facebook login issues. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.